Have you seen this thing yet? The DJI Osmo Pocket 3, brand new gimbal camera from DJI. I'm gonna open the box and show you everything that comes inside. Check it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? I'm Kirk. It's been a little while. Good to see you guys again. And I got something cool for you today. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is the newest gimbal camera from DJI. So not only does it have a stabilizing camera built into the grip, it also has a screen that's really cool. It flips from vertical to horizontal mode. I've never seen anything like this in a gimbal. I like what they did here. Can't wait to play with this. This is the creator combo more specifically, so it comes with a couple of extra bonuses, an add-on lens, a microphone, and a battery handle. So let's open up the box and I want to show you everything that comes inside the creator combo.
All right, here it is, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. You can see the box with the Osmo Pocket 3 on the front. This is the creator combo, so this comes with some extra goodies, some really cool accessories. I think this is worth it, but we'll show you what's inside in just a second. You can see on the front of the box here, it's got a couple things on the bottom: wide angle lens, DJI Mic 2 transmitter, that's included in this creator combo, and the battery handle is included in this creator combo. So you get the three extra accessories they talk about there: the lens, the mic, and the battery handle. All pretty good accessories to have. On the back here, you've just got some of the features highlighted here. You can see the 1-inch CMOS sensor, the 2-inch rotatable screen. Can't wait to check that out and show you guys that. The 3-axis gimbal mechanical stabilization. Of course, that's what this thing's all about. It's a gimbal. Active Track 6.0, which they use on their drones as well. Full pixel fast focusing. D-Log, which is kind of a color thing for professional shooters. Stereo recording. And then pocket sized. I don't know why they put that there. It's not really a feature. It's just, I'm guessing they had an empty spot. And they said, what can we put here? We'll put pocket sized here. So it shows you what's inside the box, kind of laid out there, which is really cool. Let me show you that, actually. Let's talk more about what comes inside the box when you buy the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. All right, here we go, guys. We've got everything laid out from inside the box. We've got this little case that's got all the goodies in it, so we'll talk about that in a second. USB-C cable, nothing really fancy there, exactly what you'd expect. This is the case for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you've ever used an Osmo before, you know that the Osmo sort of clips into the side of this, and this is a great way to keep it safe while you're carrying it around. Now, I love whenever a device comes with a storage case, a pouch, some way to store and manage all my stuff. So thank you to DJI, at least with the creator combo, for including this inside the box. I know it doesn't cost a lot, but it's super nice to have that in there. Let's see what's inside the pouch. Lots of good stuff. So first and foremost, here is the gimbal camera itself, the Osmo Pocket 3, which we will check out closer in just a second. And let's see what else is in here. So we've got this. So this is a clip-on handle. It's got a USB-C pass-through. It's got the 1/4-inch threaded tripod mount on the bottom, which is great. There's nothing else in this though. It's not a battery. It's simply a handle to clip on the bottom of the Osmo. You see, the bottom doesn't actually have the threaded tripod mount. So this is just a way to clip that on. You can mount that on a tripod very easily and then pop it back off. Now, what I want to show you too, where is that guy? I think it's down here. This is a similar device, but this one has an extra battery built in. So this is one of the bonuses of this combo pack, is that it's got this battery built in, has the same purpose. It's got the threaded tripod mount on the bottom, got the USB-C pass-through, but it's got the bonus of having extra battery storage built into it, so you can clip this on the bottom just like that. And it does make it quite long. You can see the length there. Size does matter, right? But you can mount this on a tripod, also have extra battery life. You know, really good if you're going out for an all-day recording session or you're a professional and you just need to be able to have extended battery life on a device like this. So one of the other big things that's included in this is the wireless microphones. This clips right there to your shirt or to your jacket. You've seen creators using this. They're really popular right now with creators. You know, they're ugly as sin, right? You've got this clip to the front of your shirt and it's so bulky and hanging off there, but nobody seems to care. So nonetheless, this is what people are doing right now, and this is included here with the Creator Combo Pack. All right, we also have this. Now this is a windscreen, just to make this microphone even more obvious when you're wearing it. It's got a little pin there. That pin, I believe, goes right into the hole in the top there, and that's a little windscreen that goes on top of the microphone. Look at that thing. Looks like a little cartoon character or something, doesn't it? But, you know, again, creators are wearing these things. Nobody seems to mind that people have this hanging off the front of their shirt. That's really cool to have that included as well. Finally, we've got this little mini tripod. Now, this isn't a big deal, but if you've ever used the DJI Osmo for your phone that actually clips the phone into it, they include, well, there's a tripod built into the handle. And so with this, you don't really have a good way to stand it up. You could certainly stand it up like that, but you start adding all this different stuff onto it. This is a good way to actually add a little tripod to it. So this would screw right into the bottom of that threaded mount. There you go. Again, this also makes it pretty long, but I don't know if people care too much. But it adds a little tripod to it there. Great way to stand that up on a table or a shelf for your shooting pleasure. Now let's power this thing up. All right, powering it up for the first time. I'm not going to get into all the shooting modes and such, though. I just wanted to show you some of the basics. The microphone is turned on, so you can see mic 2, transmitter 1 connected, used for audio. Shows you the battery life inside the microphone. That's really cool. And look at the little buttons here. You've got kind of a little analog joystick, almost, you know, like an Xbox controller or something. You've got a very obvious big record button on the front. I do like that. You've got not much on the back here. Looks like a little microphone right there. You've got your gimbal camera right there. Oh shoot, I forgot something that comes with this because it's clipped to the front of this. This is the wide angle lens that also comes with this creator combo pack. You can see it says 0.75x there because it zooms out a touch, makes a little bit of a difference. I can show you that when I do some actual video testing, but for now I just wanted to show you that that is included in the creator combo pack. And then the screen here, watch this. Isn't that cool? Switches it over to that 16:9 horizontal shooting mode, or you can shoot in vertical mode. And what's cool too is if you have it in horizontal mode and you flip it back, it automatically says, all right, I think we're turning this thing off right now, powers it down. So that's kind of cool. I can turn it back on. And when you start, it's going to start in the vertical mode and it'll be ready to go and shoot in vertical mode because so many people, content creators specifically for TikTok and Instagram and even YouTube, are shooting in vertical mode right now. So I just wanted to give you a first little hands-on demo of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and show you everything that comes inside the box when you buy that content creator combo pack.
So what do you think, guys? What do you think of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? Throw a comment below. We'd love it if you subscribe to the channel. A lot of unboxings, tech reviews, just a lot of cool tech, geeky stuff here on Tech It Before You Wreck It, so we'd love it if you subscribe. I'm Kirk.